You know all those videos you see online with professional voiceovers like the one you're watching now? The person who created them didn't just sit down with their earbuds and record it themselves. We both know how that would sound. If they did record it themselves with high-quality results, you know they've invested in expensive recording equipment and confusing audio software. For most though, it took a lot of time and expense to create those voiceovers. Here's how it usually works. First, they had to spend hours looking through a site like Fiverr, wading through all the voiceover people, weeding out the ones who sound horrible and focusing on the top quality. Then, they had to wait for their chosen voiceover talent to actually do the work. The top quality people are popular, it can take weeks to get your completed recording. Finally, they had to pay for the work. And believe me, it isn't cheap. For example, one Fiverr voiceover provider charges $200 for 100 words, and $25 for each additional 1 to 100 words. An average 5 to 6 minute video has around 1,000 words, and that would cost $425. And that's not the most expensive person on there, by any means. And what happens if you need to make a change after the recording is completed? You have to pay all over again, and then wait all over again. So when you need a voiceover, it seems like there's two choices: do a ton of searching, waiting, and paying for quality results, or settle for a do-it-yourself job, with do-it-yourself results. Well, my friend, I'm happy to tell you a new option exists. Introducing Voice Studio FX. Voice Studio FX lets anyone create a professional quality voiceover in just seconds, without searching, without waiting, and definitely without talent. Even a beginner who can't read can do this. How? Voice Studio FX is an app that uses artificial intelligence technology to create realistic human speech from text. You're probably wondering, how realistic is it? Well, you're listening to a Voice Studio FX voiceover right now. All you need is a script of what you want the voice to say. Copy and paste it into Voice Studio FX, click the Synthesize button, and in seconds, you'll have an MP3 recording you can use in sales videos, commercials, podcasts, and more. And I'm just one of the voices in Voice Studio FX. There are actually 12 of us. My name is Guy. Let me introduce you to the other voices.
Hi there, my name is Arya.
Hi there, I'm Patrick.
Hi, my name is Holly.
Hello, my name is Matthew.
Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm 8 years old.
Hello, my name is Natasha.
Hi there, I'm Liam.
Hello, my name is Nirja.
Hi there, my name is Connor.
Hi there, my name is Mia.
Hello there, I'm Roger.
Hi, I'm back. You may have heard of other text-to-speech apps that use things like Google WaveNet or Amazon Polly to create speech. How is Voice Studio FX better? Well, we have two distinct advantages. First, the voiceovers created by those other apps don't have the amazingly realistic human quality of Voice Studio FX's voices. Listeners get that creepy feeling that they're hearing a machine talking to them. That's not going to keep them listening and not going to get them to buy what you're selling. Second, with the other apps, you could be looking at buying conversion credits every time you want to do a voiceover. In other words, you're spending over and over and over. With Voice Studio FX, you pay once and get up to 30,000 conversion credits in your account. Next month, we'll drop the same amount of credits into your account, no monthly fee or credits fee. This is, without a doubt, the cheapest way to get the best quality voiceovers anywhere. It's like having 12 professional voiceover creators at your fingertips, 24/7, for whatever you need. And when you grab our commercial license, you can even create voiceovers for your clients. Remember that $425 for 1,000 words? You could charge half that and still make a ton of profit, because you'll have that job completed in less than 2 minutes. Your satisfaction is totally guaranteed with our 30-day no-risk, no-fuss money-back guarantee. So go ahead, get your access to Voice Studio FX today, and we'll all see you on the inside.